Okay, today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter in a 5th generation, I believe, Honda Odyssey, the RL6 chassis code. This is the part number for the factory replacement cabin air filter. It is literally one of the easiest filters I've ever seen. You just open your glove box, take everything out of it. There's a retainer back here. Unclip that, and then there's a retainer on the side here, both sides. You push those in. It drops down. Now you remove this panel right here. There are no tools required for this. There's a little tab on each end. You pull that out. Shows you which direction the airflow goes. You pull your filter out. You can see mine, whoever installed it previously, installed it backwards or upside down. And look at all that junk. Yeah, there's a lot of like big leaves in there, but if you open it up, there's all kinds of dirt and debris in there. So let's put in a new one. And then you look at the arrows that say airflow. Again, you can see that someone installed it incorrectly. The other one had the arrows going up. It was also not a Honda filter. This one is a Honda filter. There we go. There kind of like pops in the back there. Put the cover back on. And that's it. Close the glove box. You're good to go. Reattach the clip on the end here. You're done.